Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to MOC Insight. My name is Michael, and today we will talk about something really incredible. We will talk about a project and a vision that I have for the vessels and for the ships. But before we start that, first of all, I would like to remind you that we have here on the channel all the memberships, all the latest memberships according to the latest data, the latest, let's say, processing of the information. So the memberships are exactly allocated and so much grade separated, so you directly access your level of knowledge that it's required from yourself as well. Also, the levels has been separated. Simulations, also knowledge that it's more extensive, less extensive, and also for the companies. The companies that are willing to improve and create these great environments for their, let's say, the overall performance, operational, well-being as well. So we're giving a lot of attention to that things. And also the most important, it is the cost is really small compared of what it gives. So this is basically how I create the value through all the projects and through the all material that I have created for so many years. First of all, let's look a little bit on the website itself. So you can see as I scroll here, and this is actually what I see from my side as I see the channel. We have different tabs here. So each and every tab, it gives you different view. So all the lives, you are able to access it from here. All the shorts, you are able to access them from here. So you can look a little bit what I have uploaded so far. It is very easy to get the information, to the material, guidance, and all the things. And also, I would like also to remind you that if you are interested in any lives that I have created, you can see it here directly. So it's so easy. And you can press also the notification button, so you will get the notify button as the live will start running. And also now the difference between of each live, it is that I have some topics to discuss, okay? And the most important things through the lives, it is the engagement of the community. And this is the proper way how we can move things, how we can change and get the momentum that is required. Change is something normal. It is nothing, let's say, bad on it. We cannot see nothing bad. It is a real progress. It is part of the progress. You can see also the podcasts, any podcast that I have created here. You can see also playlists as well. And now I have created also some playlists with different languages. Also in Korean, in Chinese, in German, in Tagalog, Hindi, in Russian, in Dutch. So there is some languages, yes, and some videos which will be posted. And yes, this is some of, let's say, strategic videos in order to bring people from different countries together also to the channel. Not all the videos will be translated, but at some point, these videos on other languages will be, let's say, accessible through the membership. And this is the idea. And these videos later on, as they increase, they will be accessible from the technical manager level of the membership subscription through the channel. And then we have the posts. And yes, easily you can participate on the questionnaires as well. You will get some notifications, also any updates through the channel, any changes. Also, don't forget that we need to achieve 50 likes. 50 likes is easy, okay? From 25,000 subscribers, 50 likes on this video, which is on English. It is much easier So I will start to create a new video about the purification system, which is not available here on the channel. It's not here. It was, let's say, 2 years before. And I will redo it again, more detailed, more refined, with more information, so you will know everything about the purification system, the transferring of the oil, all the details that is associated with the transferring. And it will really help. It will also, I will show you some troubleshooting and some problems also which I face, so you will be known also as well. And the membership tab, it is also available here. It shows your membership. It shows also all the available material that you have, also the loyalty badges. So you can see the welcome badge as you get it is this one. As we progress, you get the iron. The next it's more changing the color. Let's say it became gold, and after 2 years it will become diamond. So then, yes, on the diamond we will have some special gifts which I'm also planning, and you can see better your accessibilities, which bonuses you have, which connection you have, close Telegram channels. So check that benefits and get that opportunity to connect. So the benefits also are progressing as the level of the membership increasing as well. And another thing also is that, let me check a little bit through the channel here. We have a separate section. Let me go to the home page. So you can see our memberships here, and first of all, as you can see, I have put the channel members on the top, because they are the one who support the channel. They are the one who gives that advantage for the channel to progress and improve the things. So basically, all let's say all the funds, all the assets that you have been provided to this channel, it will go directly, everything for the development of the channel and for the development of the content. And as I told you, this is my full-time, I can say, job, yes. So I have moved full-time on this channel, because yes, I have given all of my internal, let's say, power to this channel. So basically I see that it has a really huge value, and it has much more value from all the things that I have done, but I cannot exclude them, for sure. I cannot exclude them, because I have gained their knowledge. I have gained their knowledge through the years, and this is the interesting thing, that through the willingness of learn new things, this is the result, and this is how the progress is coming. So through the playlists, one thing that I would like to say, you can see also that each and every playlist has been refined individually. So all the maritime simulations has gone here on this. So you can see it's 128 videos, which is videos with all the latest simulations, videos with different topics, also simulations like overhaulings, troubleshooting, explaining also for what reason we're doing that things and what is the results, and different also simulations from different situations as well that you can encounter on the vessel. Then we have the crude washing masterclass course, which is a separate course, and with combination with the book which I have behind me here, and you are able to get the maximum results. After taking this knowledge for the crude washing, I believe there will not be any question anymore. So basically you will get more than the basic knowledge that's required, and it is the, I believe, yes, we can call it, yes, advanced masterclass. Yes, this is the reason that I give it. It gives you more overview, because I have been on board I have asked many chief officers in order to establish the level of knowledge. I have seen many discharges. I can tell you that I have seen for the time frame of 2.5 years, each and every month, for 30 discharges, and the knowledge of the 30 discharges. Did that involve in all the discharges, let's say directly with problems and all the things? No, but we have really complex discharges, really different discharges, and it gives me an overview how to handle the crude oil and how to apply the crude oil washing through these complex discharges. Another thing, yes, it's bunkering optimization, which is a much higher level, which unlocks also the detailed explanation through the videos. And another thing that I would like to share with you is the bunkering optimization project. It will save a lot of time. I can say definitely 50% of the existing bunkering time it will be saved by applying this knowledge. 50%, I'm 100% sure. Because with all the projects that I have made successfully, I have seen that improvements. And believe me, the money that it costs, it's really nothing. It's really nothing for the money that it costs. But what it brings, it's a game-changing environment for our seafarers and also for the industry itself. Because the expertise, this is what gives the change. This is what changed the momentum. And also the willingness, also the power and the energy, because you get that satisfaction from the improvement itself. And it boosts your knowledge, and it forces you directly to implement the things. So yes, that is the projects, that is the levels, that is the information about. And another thing that maybe you have noticed, if you are going, let's say, of some of the videos, let's press this one, okay, down below here we have the shop section. So what is the shop section? Basically it will be some of the material that I have collected, let's say, from the vessels, and they have value as, let's say, for calculation purposes, they have values for troubleshooting, and you will see it will appear like this here. But then if you would like, let's say to access more information and more details of what the shop has inside, you just press here on this button, shop. Let's see. Yes, at the moment it will not change. Yes, it will not go there. But if you press the shop button, it will bring you to another website where you will see more and more available digital products. Okay, so I have a project there about steering gear, how to adjust 4-ram steering gear, pilot valve pressure. I have also the bunkering project available there as well. All the presentation pages, okay, just the presentation pages, and the rest it is here on the channel. So that is it, a little bit about the introduction and all the things. And now we will come back to our topic, how the ships can go faster with shark skin paint. And here's how. First of all, this is not something new, and that's why I'm really looking of how to optimize and utilize the existing technology. And basically this technology has been existed for too long. It has been applied in aeroplanes, it has been applied maybe in some, let's say, some applications like fast cars, let's say some sports already. So what is about and what is so much interesting about this? So basically we have the shark skin, which is looks like that. And what we will do, basically, it is a miming. We create a mimic type of paint on the ship's hull. So how we can create that? We can create that even by, let's say, a laser, by fixing a laser, let's say, texture on the ship's hull, or we can paint it, yes, by specific paints, or apply some films on the ship's hull. Okay, and yes, this is how the shark skin looks like. So it reduces the shear stress. So basically you have less drag as a result, and it will reduce about 3.7% of reduction of the fuel of the drag. So the fuel consumption will be a huge beneficial on this case. And one of the great things is that it's not necessary to apply this shark skin, and make it so much complex. So basically we can do it differently. We can use this kind of structure, which is similar to the shark. Simulations has been done and has been proved that this actual pattern are able to perform like the skin of the shark. So will this technology apply? Are it possible to be applied? Yes, it can be applied. Is it still there? No, it's not still there. And it can be applied, let's say, in some specific parts. You can say on the bow of the vessel, in the middle section, in the bottom section of the vessel, and also on the aft section when we have, let's say, the water flow outwards from the vessel. So by reducing the turbulence that it will be created in the micro scale as well, and it's visible as the vessel is travel, we're able to create a much better flow with less resistance. And I believe this technology will save a lot of tons of emissions, will make a huge difference how the vessel is operating, and also it will give advantage as the ship's speed will be increased in different load profiles of the vessel. Another thing also, when we reduce this additional drag force, our engine is working with less load. So basically our equipment is less stressed. We have less, let's say, yes, we have less drag. So all this drag and all that forces, it's less transferred through the propeller to our engine. So we will have much better performance. For sure, it should be done, let's say, some testing, some, let's say, small scale implementation before it will go to commercial. But I truly believe that there is a huge value on this topic, and I'm really grateful that I was able to create such a great presentation, let's say an introduction, how also are due to my projects. So basically it's already a technology that exists, we can utilize and create new products. So everything I'm looking for and everything I have been created, it is with the same level of thinking, to create high value products, and you will see it through all the materials that it's here on this channel. I believe this video, it is an eye-opener of how the technology needs to be progressed, and I only believe that with the new technologies we're able to move faster, we're able to deliver high quality, and we are also able to expand the different professions. So I see abundance everywhere in each profession, and the only thing that we have to do is the proper redirection of the resources. Thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next live stream on Friday, 3 p.m. GMT time, and local time it will be 5 p.m. Greece time. Thank you, my dear friends, and